Did you click? Hello? Yeah, did you click join?
Let's get going.
Down the street. You ready to write it down?
Ms. Williams Law.
9.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I would ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. All right.
We're going to go into the way you first, and then he's going to connect to the main room. So give it an opportunity, we just get stuff and have a good morning. Okay?
Good.
It's just a meeting like, didn't we bring that over? Because that's basic.
All right. You ready, Ms. Williams Law?
1 second, Your Honor. Yes, I am.
All right. Well, this is the city of Detroit versus Denisa Rochelle Golston, case number SP 11-16570, counts 1, 2, and counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1128595, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1284635, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., P 28880, on behalf of Ms. Ghostin. State your full name, young lady.
Denisha Ghostin.
Judge, you have dates?
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand muted.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. Well, Ms. Ghostin, she paid 2 related civil infractions on these matters. She had paid a careless driving, which she got 3 points, I believe, for careless driving. And let's see, what is careless? Yes, 3 points for careless driving, and she paid in disregard of red signals, which is another 3 points. So she's accumulated 6 points by just paying those tickets. So what I'll do is I'll dismiss the matters for paying related civil infraction. I'll waive the warrant fee. You still owe reinstatement fees, 1, 2, 3, 4, $45 a piece, $180 total. Okay, ma'am?
Yes.
Any questions?
No, so I just gotta pay the 180.
Yeah, and you won't owe the court any more money. Oh, you will owe the court money. You'll owe the court another $312 on a 2017 case. It looked like you paid $100 on it. You owe $312 on that. We'll close these matters out because you pay related civil infraction. All right.
Okay.
If there's nothing further, then have a very good day. Rest of the day.
You too. Thank you. I can exit out.
Yeah.
Okay.
City of Detroit.
Here you go, Ms. Dodds.
Versus Eddie James Leonard Jr. Case numbers SP 143. No, strike that. SP 142 3299 counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 142 330 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your staff. May it please this honorable court, Sharika Harris, P 72822 on behalf of Mr. Leonard. Please state your name.
Eddie Leonard Jr.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Leonard, do you have a license, registration, and insurance?
Yes.
You do have a valid license, registration, and insurance?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We've been going to Ludington for 2 weeks today.
Eddie Leonard Jr.
Yes, sir.
Eddie, I'm gonna run your license. Eddie James Leonard Jr. That's
Hey,
his name.
Gary, I need to request.
And I couldn't give me co-host when you get an opportunity. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, I get it.
All right, let's pass the matter. Let's, well, let me see this, Mr. Leonard. Let's see the insurance documentation, please, and the registration, if you have it on you.
Yes, sir.
L-I-T-E-E.
Okay.
Give it a little
Hold it
more.
up a little closer. See the registration. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let me see the insurance. Let's see if I can see a expiration date and stuff.
Okay. I just have, let me see, that's receipt. Can you see it, sir?
Hold it still. You gotta hold it still. Slide it over to your left. Go up a little bit. Still not give, I still don't see expiration date.
Okay, can I see if I can find it for you, sir?
Certainly.
Okay, let me see.
Here it is, right here. Oh, here's the.
All right, the license is valid. Pretty good license. All right, what we'll do is we'll offer him a blocking traffic, $175, and dismiss the rest for this speeding ticket. That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. And we'll dismiss the rest. You got maybe these tinted windows on these windows. I don't know if that's the improper equipment ticket or not. But if it is, you're gonna need to get those, if it's true, you need to get those tints off the front of those windows. Because that's a ticketable offense. They can pull you over for that.
Yes, sir. The tent, well, I don't know. I was gonna try to fight that because the tent is not even tinted. It's like a factory tent. It's like it's not even a 3. It's maybe like a 2.
Yeah, well, that's always the argument. It's not a 3, it's a 2, or it's very light. It's against the ordinance to have any on your front windows, driver and passenger side windows, period. Unless you have a note from your doctor.
Okay.
So So it's a ticketable offense, and that's what a lot of people think, but it is a ticketable offense. All right, so you want to take the deal, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea, counsel.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Any probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Find your client responsible for the admitted count of blocking traffic. That's no points, no abstraction, just a civil infraction. $175. Mr. Leonard, when can you pay it?
I could pay it Thursday. I get paid Thursday. I could pay it.
All right, I'm gonna give you till Friday, to get that in here. Pay it in any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. Or come on down to the courthouse and pay it by 7/28/2023, and we'll close these matters, we'll close that matter out as well, all right? There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day, best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Absolutely. City of Detroit versus Anthony Pittman, case number SB 142-89661. We'll call SB 1447975. Let's see. Let's see what we're gonna call that. That's Garrett's ticket, so I'll leave that out of the record. State your name for the record, sir.
Anthony Pittman.
Somebody put their appearance on the record, Mr. Pittman, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Pittman.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Pittman, do you have valid registration?
No.
You don't?
No.
Do you have a vehicle?
Second one, gone?
You have a vehicle?
Yeah, you my dad.
Is this your dad's vehicle that you're driving here?
Yes.
What about, does he have valid registration for it?
No, yeah, it's expired and stuff.
Say what?
I get all the stuff on the car, yeah, expired. So we ain't got none of that.
If I give you some time to get it, can you get a valid registration?
You gonna be a minute.
What's a minute?
I don't think we go add it, but I don't have it no more. So I don't.
I mean, the offer's gonna be pleading to the improper plate, $240 fine. If you brought valid registration, I can dismiss the ticket. Or you can just take it to trial and see if the officer shows up or can make their case, either or. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry, right? Mr. Berry, you put your appearance on this one?
I did, Your Honor.
I'll put you in and speak to Mr. Pittman and see what he can come up with. And let us know what you want to do when you get out, all right? Mr. Pittman, join the breakout room, please.
Okay.
All right, this is the city, let's pass that matter. This is the city of Detroit versus Tierra Renee Love Turner. Case number SP 116888933. Ms. Love Turner, state your name for the record, please.
Sierra Love Turner.
All right, Ms. Love Turner, today is the date and time set for a review in the matter. I see you've paid your obligations. I'm gonna dismiss the ticket now and close the matter out. If there's nothing further, Ms. Love Turner, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too, thank you.
Thank you. City of Detroit versus Brittany Nicole Odom. Case number SP 143-22471. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Olden, please state your name.
Brittany Olden.
All right. Good morning, Ms. Oden.
Good morning.
Set for a pretrial, ma'am. Do you have valid registration?
Don't judge.
Do you have a vehicle?
Yes, I can. I do.
I give you time. I gave you. Is this the case with your husband?
Yes. Now he had to go through some paperwork and yeah.
Listen, I'm gonna dismiss this time now, but this is a one-time deal, all right?
Okay.
I believe the story. I believe I see. I think I don't know if you're gonna be able to get it straight or not, but hopefully you do. But I'm gonna give you this one, and we'll close the matter out, and hopefully get it straight. All right.
Okay. Thank you, Judge.
All right. Have a great day, man. Good luck to you. All right. Tell your husband so.
Okay. Thank you.
Good morning to you. Good morning to you, sir. All right. All right. One. All right, City of Detroit versus Tia Littlejohn. Case numbers SP 108-1523 counts 1 and counts 3. SP 138-44181. Appearance for the record. Well, let's call 19-513-8271. Strike those case numbers. That's not Ms. Littlejohn. Strike those case numbers. All right, let's try it again. City of Detroit versus Tia Tony Littlejohn. Case numbers SP 102-1971, SP 103-0884, counts 2 and counts 3, SP 124-71411. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Littlejohn, please state your name for the record.
No, this is a review, really. Ms. Littlejohn, are you there?
Johnny, can you repeat the first case number?
SP 102-19271. Is Ms. Littlejohn driving a car? I can't hear you, ma'am. You have to unmute yourself. So.
Oh, I'm sorry. No, I'm sitting in the car. I'm on break right now.
Is that your car, ma'am?
No, it's my coworker car.
Ms. Littlejohn, you're working, and I see you've made some effort, but when are we gonna be able to close this stuff out?
I thought I had court on the 26th. So when I called, they told me it was today, and I was supposed to pay it on the 25th. Actually, a day before I thought the court date was, but I called in and I see I do have court today.
All right. So what are you saying? You're gonna have it paid by the 26th?
Yeah.
All right. Let's have you back next week on the 31st. Review 8/25 on 7/31/2023. All right.
Okay. I have a question. Is my license still valid?
I don't know. Runner license, please, Ms. Mathis. We'll see. All right. Let's go with Mr. Loving.
Hello.
Good morning to you, sir.
How are you doing?
They have cell phones.
The gentleman does, he said he was just going to come back and show you the license. And the lady, she does not have a cell phone. But you need to talk to someone, I can let her use my phone.
All right, Mr. Loving, what are you doing here today? What's your middle name?
Lamar.
What brings you here today?
Well, I had got one of these in the mail about a Zoom court today.
I see.
It's, me.
Lamar Loving, yeah, Anthony Lamar Loving.
Okay, you
Case number, this City of Detroit versus Anthony Lamar Loving, case number 205-05733, counts 1, 2, and 3, 217-319-47, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Loving, please state your name.
My name is Anthony Lamar Loving.
Let's call today's time set for show cause. He has show cause today on the 24th for one case and on the 25th tomorrow for the other cases. We'll read them all today and give him either a pre-trial date, trial date, or see what he's got documents. Expired license, no insurance, no registration, driver license suspended, unregistered, untitled. Yeah, valid license, registration, and insurance, Mr. Loving.
Yes.
Run his driver's license. So let's pass that matter momentarily.
Here's Mr. Lucas, and I'm missing files for it. Young lady, I got a call.
Let's pass the matter momentarily. Ms. Littlejohn, you do have a valid license.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, very well. Have a very good day, man. Best of luck to you.
Thank you.
All right, Mr. Perry, what is you spoke with Mr. Pittman. What's Mr. Pittman gonna do?
Mr. Pittman would avail himself of the offer, Your Honor, and stands ready to plead to him proper plea.
He's not trying to get a valid insurance?
That's, well, a valid registration and
that will require him to get valid insurance.
mhm.
Let's all right, let's go back. Let's go back on the record with Loving. Mr. Loving does have a valid driver's license. Who's here on Loving? Ms. Harris?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Loving does have a valid license, so that puts us with the insurance and registration. What about insurance and registration, Mr. Loving?
Yes. I have them both.
Can I see the documentation, please?
Yes. Okay, the insurance.
All right, let me see. Hold a second up there a second. Slide it over to your right a little bit. And that expiration date is not coming in clear.
The expiration date is the next September 30th.
Yeah. All right, what about the registration?
Okay. Here's the registration.
Okay, I'm going to dismiss this time for providing valid documentation, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. If there's nothing further, have a good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You too.
I didn't have Logan's file,
Okay.
and I have to request Mr. Lindsay's tickets from downstairs.
All right.
Okay. That in person.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Pittman. Mr. Pittman, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. You want to take the deal, sir?
Take them again?
You want to take the deal?
Yeah, I get the deal.
You don't want to try to see if you take it to trial and see if the officer shows, or you don't want an opportunity to go get some valid insurance?
No, yeah, I don't got no more, so I.
Raise your right hand, please. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
I would ready to deal with my big deal.
Say that again.
I will pay the big deal.
No, I know, but do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down, sir. Sir, do you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial.
Yes.
Mr. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did he not? Did he go over advice or rights in the breakout room with you, sir? Mr. Pittman? Did Mr. Berry go over your advice or rights in the breakout room?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Have any questions about those rights?
No thank.
You know you're gonna be giving up those rights once you take this deal?
Yes.
Anybody offer you anything other than what we said we'll do today? That'll be plead to the improper play, $240 fine. I'll dismiss the case upon payment. No abstraction to the Secretary of State, therefore no funds. Anybody offer you anything other than that?
No.
All right, so let me draw your attention back to February 1st, 2023, around 9:53 a.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Warren and Penrod. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
I didn't hear you, sir.
Yes.
Were you operating a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Was there something wrong with it? Wait a minute, let me see this. Let me see this. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna dismiss the matter, and pay a related civil infraction, pay a no proof of insurance ticket. All right, I'm gonna close it out, Mr. Pittman. You paid a no insurance ticket.
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. You still owe the court on that old matter $245.
Shit, I owe the court.
You owe the court $245 from an older case that you went in front of Ruth Ann Garrett, Judge Garrett in front of. All right.
Yes.
If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You cool.
City of Detroit versus Darrell Nathaniel Landers. Case numbers SP 1270739, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1277209-1. Appearance for the record. State your name for the record, please. This is a review. All right, today is the date and time set for a review. Good morning to you. You haven't paid anything, sir. What's going on with the money?
I actually was out of job. You actually gave me time to get a job. I actually got a job where I got to do the screening, which is tomorrow on the 25th, and the first day supposed to be on the 27th, but things had came up where I may not be able to make that first day.
Why? What's come up? You can't make your first day of a job.
Well, that's the thing. My spouse, the person I'm with, they got to go into surgery. So I won't have nobody to watch my kids.
No family members, nothing?
But not at the moment. I could ask my mother, but yeah, she be already busy with kids already.
Well, that what's some more kids to the equation then?
Yeah, I can see. Right, I can definitely see though.
You act like you trying. It sound like you trying to make an excuse not to go to work.
That not really. Like I said, like some things definitely came up.
I can understand your wife having surgery, your significant other having, that's important, but I thought you were gonna tell me you were gonna be holding her hand in the hospital or help operating on her with the doctor or something, but you tell me that you don't have your babysitter and your mom has got kids that she's taking care of.
Yeah, that don't nobody like pushing you feel me? I got 3 boys. My mama got my sister kids over there, which is 3 boys, a girl. You feel me? That's too much work for her. I
don't feel you. No, I don't. All I know is I've given you an opportunity to pay this stuff, and you haven't. And you indicated that it's been
a month. I feel like I ain't get enough time to pay that. Like I say, when I did have court,
you gave me the date, didn't you?
I did, and you actually asked me how much time I needed. I told you I was out without work. You told me you gave me a month.
I didn't ask you how much time you needed.
Yeah, you asked me how much time I needed. I actually ain't give you a time limit, so you just gave me that month.
Yeah, because you didn't put a date on it.
Right, so I was gonna actually ask because I know I had some funds coming in, but like this house I'm in, I'm actually getting ready to lose that to foreclosure. But the little funds I did have, I just tried to pay this little foreclosure thing off, and they said that ain't work. So they still trying to get me up out this house. So.
And how long have you been without a job?
I've been without a job for probably a year. That's because I went into working for myself, which is self-employment. I was doing this carpet, which is mechanic work as well. I was a carpenter and a mechanic. but it kind of slowed down after once that pandemic hit. My work kind of slowed down, you know.
All right, I'm gonna give you 30 more days, man. Back 8,
I was
24. Go ahead.
yeah, I was hoping because I know I have it be, you know, I know I had the funds sometime during September 3rd for sure, but this month that's coming up gonna be a little hectic because like I say, I gotta try to fix these things with this house because like I say, I just gave them like $1,200 to try to dismiss through that foreclosure thing. They said that ain't work. The house still can go up to a foreclosure. So now I'm trying to enroll in this program to try to keep the house and things, but they telling me to save money for that.
Your Honor, if I may, Sharika Harris on behalf of Mr. Landers, is it possible that Mr. Landers might be able to do some community service in lieu of fines and costs?
Yeah, he can do. I'll give it to him all, but I don't know if he's gonna. Are we giving him? Didn't we discuss that option too?
No, we didn't like that because I will actually take community service, and I was gonna see about a payment plan, like with that payment plan, because
you set the payment plan up with the court downstairs when you come downstairs into the building. You set that up at the window. They can get you into a payment plan, but I can get you community service. Yeah, take this number down.
All right, let me find a pen real quick, pencil. Okay, I'm actually ready for the number.
Number's 313-965-8130. That's Miss Green. If you want to do it all in community service, you can do all or part. I'll just say for only the $240 fines that you enter into the agreement with this court, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll let you do 50 hours of community service, clear it up. And I'll give you $20 per hour each hour you do. So whatever you do, if you do the whole 50, we'll clear it up. If you do any hour, I'll give you 20 hours an hour toward it. All right.
Oh yeah, that sounds cool to me.
All right. Further, come back on September 22nd. I wish your wife and your family prayers for your wife and her surgery, and hope you can find a way to get to that job.
All right, thanks. I definitely appreciate that.
All right, nothing further, sir. Have a good day. Lucas. See, let me get Mr. City of Detroit versus Javon Levin. Case number SP14165-831. Appearance for the record. Let me state your name for the record, please.
Javon Levin.
All right, where are you, sir? Turn your camera on. Oh, you're on the phone. You haven't paid your obligation either. Did you take the firearm safety course?
No, I did. I paid on that last week as soon as I got off work.
When is it gonna be paid off?
Well, not in my business. It's starting to pick up something. I say, I probably need a little bit more time, but I just don't know because that's a little bit of steep of my money. I just got this business going, So my customers ain't been they haven't been calling like that lately. But I got some money coming in. Maybe for like, next week, a week and a half. Nah. I've been
You're on 12 months probation anyway, so I'm gonna have come back next month and take that firearm safety course, sir.
all right.
Come back August the 24th, 2023 at 8:25, right?
Judge, you won't be here August 24th.
August 24th, oh, thank you. Come back, strike that, come back September 5th, 2023 at 8:25. Make some payments and take that firearm safety course, all right?
How would I would you know how you know how much would it cost me for the firearm?
Oh no.
Huh?
You got the money to get the gun and the bullets. I'm gonna suspect you're gonna be able to come up on the money to get the firearm safety course.
You say you don't know how much it costs though?
No.
I gotta find one.
Yes.
Location.
It's online. It should be online.
All right, I'm a lock onto it.
All right. If there's nothing further, sir, have a good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you too.
What's Paul Lucas, did we run his license? Yeah, you say you have a valid license. Run his license. What about Sean? Yes. You have insurance?
I have my email with me, but the documentation is in the truck.
Can I see it on the phone? Is it gonna show me an expiration date? Miss Lindsay needs to get on cell phone. You need to talk to a lawyer.
I need a lawyer.
They got a house in here also.
You want me to call downstairs?
You can, please.
Do you want some water?
City of Detroit versus Paul Williams Lucas, case number S21-70631, SP 138-78981, SP 138-79153. Appearance for the record, please.
Mr. Paul Williams.
Put the appearance on the record, one of the lawyers, please.
Paul Williams Lucas.
Cherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lucas.
Mr. Lucas, let's call a day.
Yeah.
Let's see what it's set for. A pretrial date. You went and paid that $25, $45 and got your license, didn't you?
Yep, same day. Yes, it did.
All right, congratulations on that.
Thank you.
What I'm gonna do, he showed valid insurance. One-time deal, sir. I'm gonna give you a one-time deal and dismiss the cases for providing valid documentation. You gotta keep those documents on you.
Okay.
And keep that license valid.
Okay.
Which mainly comes most of the time is showing up for court. I'll waive the warrant fee. One. We'll close the matters out, sir. Nothing further. Have a good day.
All right, thank you, Judge.
All right.
No.
Do you want paper copy today?
No, no paper.
You just want.
No, I'm
You
good.
just want to get out of here as quick as you can.
I don't have to go to work and I didn't have to take off anything, so I'm good. Thank you.
No problem.
David Leonard.
Just a little thirsty. Thank you so much.
David Leonard.
Yeah, I'm here. Good morning.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus David Lakon Leonard, case number SP 145-00181, SP 145-00241. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Mr. Leonard. State your full name, Mr. Leonard.
David Lacan Leonard Jr.
Lakon. All right. Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Do you have a valid license?
So I don't. I went to the Secretary of State. I had did my vision test and I had failed my vision test due to my glasses.
When you gonna take care of it?
Yeah, I was taking care of it, sir, but I failed my vision test due to me not having my glasses, and I'm still waiting on my glasses to come in.
When do you get the glasses?
Next month.
I want to see you with a license. If you get a license, I'll give you an allowing, a blocking traffic, $175. If you want to take this allowing, $240 a day, we'll close both of them out. Dismiss the cases. Put you in a breakout room with Mr. Berry. Is that Mr. Berry that put your appearance on the record?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, the allowing today, $240, a blocking traffic next month, if he brings, it'll save him, $60 to $5. So a blocking traffic, if he brings a valid license in next month. See him get a license, but we'll pass the matter. Speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room. He has an absolute right to a trial. Gloria? Gloria?
It's SP.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor.
Good morning. And what's your full name, ma'am?
Gloria Lynn Robinson.
Gloria Lynn.
Gloria Jean Glenn Robinson.
Gloria Jean Glenn Robinson.
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I don't see Ms. Glenn on the dock. Okay, I did.
8:30.
Yeah, I did. City of Detroit versus Gloria Glenn Robinson, case number SP 124-27191, SP 125-23101. Appearance for the record, please.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Ms. Glenn Robinson. Please state your name for the record.
Gloria Jean Glenn Robinson.
All right, today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. Your client, excuse me, started to pay on this disregard a red signal. She entered into a payment plan. It's probably paid $51, it looks like, or something of that nature. As an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive ticket that we're here on. You have an absolute right to a trial. What you can do is we can let you plead to the allowing straight up, dismiss the disregard and the red signal, fine you $240. I'll give you credit for the 51 you've already paid. And we'll dismiss the matter, or you can have an absolute right to a trial, and we'll go from there. I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Harris. You can explain to you your options, and you can figure out what you want to do. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Attorney Dadala, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Who's your client?
Mr. Salas, Your Honor. I did see him log on. I think today it's scheduled for a bench trial.
Does he need an interpreter? Good morning, Mr. Jesus Salas Rodriguez.
Mr. Rodriguez, take your off mute and say your name.
You need an interpreter?
Your Honor, I believe we did have one at the last court date, Your Honor. Prior to setting this for the bench trial scheduled for today. I would ask, I don't know if the court knows, has the officer appeared today?
I don't see him on the docket at all, Mr. Jesus Salas Rodriguez.
Hello?
Say your name, Mr. Salas.
Can you hear me?
See.
Hi, good morning, sir.
Buenos dias to you. Let's look him up. What's your full name, Mr. Jesus Salas Rodriguez?
It's Jesus Arnulfo Salas Rodriguez.
And Salas Rodriguez is a hyphenated last name?
It's my last name.
You see it?
No, I'm just trying to figure out.
Your Honor, I have a case number if that will help.
That would help.
SP 143-16251.
Salas is Jesus Rodriguez, and middle name is listed as middle name.
The judge is on the bench or scheduled for court this morning. All right.
Tomorrow. Scheduled for, what's today? Tomorrow.
All right.
Mr. O'Donnell.
I'm sorry, Judge?
Tomorrow is scheduled for tomorrow.
Tomorrow. I have the 24th, Judge. I understand. I will make note and tell my client to log in tomorrow at the same time. Is it scheduled at 8:30 or 9, Judge?
9. If it's nothing further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Judge, if I may just briefly, on Friday at 1:30, this last Friday, I had the client notify me that he received a court date for Friday at 1:30, and I did file an appearance. I didn't receive a notice to appear. I did call your clerk. I just don't know if that's something limited. I could give you a case number on that, Judge. That case number is 237-596-021. That was the misdemeanor. There was also some companion civil infractions.
Obeyed?
Correct, Judge.
City of Detroit versus Syed Nasser Ahmed Obey. Case numbers strike that 237-596-001, counts 1 and counts 2, 237-596-021. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, respectfully, Sam Ridgedala, P62186, appearing on behalf of Mr. Obeid.
All right, this is not on the docket. This is set for a show cause in October 26th. The other things were civil infractions on Friday. I don't know. What do you want to do? He's got no proof of insurance, unregistered, untitled, expired plates, needs to bring in those documents. Will dismiss the ticket. He has an absolute right to a trial. I can set a pre-trial. What do you want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, if we can have an opportunity, we'll waive formal reading for purposes of the arraignment, set it for a pre-trial. Give me an opportunity to provide all that documentation to the court.
How long will that take you?
A week.
A week, okay. Come back on the 31st. All right.
31st at 8:30, Judge?
At 8:30.
Thank you, Judge.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Mr. Salas, you could log in tomorrow at 8:30, okay?
Okay.
9 o'clock. 8:30, 9 o'clock, doesn't matter.
Yes.
All right, have a good one. All right.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. That's Mr. Robinson. Officer Robinson, good morning to you.
Yeah, you mind if I leave and sign in with another courtroom?
No, I don't mind at all.
Thank you.
Miss Lindsay needs to speak with the lawyer.
Okay, get her on Zoom.
All right, get her on Zoom and then we'll call her case. What's that? K-Man's iPhone? Oh, let's see the people that we had. Let's go, what does Mrs. Glenn Robinson want to do? Let's go back on the record with Mrs. Gloria Jean Glenn Robinson. I'll give you an opportunity, ma'am, to speak to counsel and break out on counsel. What's your client want to do?
And we're respectfully a trial and a formal hearing date if the court will allow.
That's what you want to do, Ms. Glenn Robinson?
Yes, Your Honor.
October 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m. trial/formal hearing. Okay, October 24th, 2023, 9 a.m. If there's nothing further, ma'am, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you. You do as well.
Thank you. Back on the record with Mr. David Leonard LeCon. David LeCon Leonard. Mr. Leonard, I'll give you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would like to avail himself of the allowing charge today and go forward.
So why they're just going in there?
Right. Is that what you want to do, sir?
Paid it $240.
Yeah. Can you raise your right hand, please? swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Berry went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room. Did he not?
He did.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're gonna give up those rights?
Yes, sir.
Anybody offer anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to April the 10th, 2023, around 3:22 p.m. City of Detroit, in the area of Connor and Canfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
I'm sorry, can you repeat yourself?
April 10th, 2023, at around 3:22 p.m. in the area of Connor and Canfield. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Sir.
You say yes?
No, sir.
No, sir?
You said that I have an occasion?
Did you come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Oh,
Did you get
yes,
pulled?
sir.
I didn't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Were you operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes, sir.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
I didn't have a driver's license to show.
Very well. I'm gonna find your client guilty of the amended count of allowing $240. I'll dismiss upon payment. Stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter now.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240, sir. When can you pay it?
I can pay it August 3rd.
All right, you want to come back August 7th? Pay it in any
August 7th.
div that. Pay it by August 7th. Pay it in any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the div that app to your phone or come on down to the courthouse and pay it. Those are the two quickest ways I can tell you to pay it. Come back August 7th, 2023, and we'll close the matter out if it's paid and dismiss the case.
Okay.
K-Mons, good morning, Ms. Snyder. Corporal Bennett, good morning to you.
I'm okay.
Let's get, is Terry Gibson here? Renee Gibson? Is Sade Lane here? All right, let's move on. What about K-Mon's iPhone?
I'm here.
What's your name, sir? Good morning to you.
Good morning. My name is Command Garrett.
Command Garrett. All right. Let's move,
Gibson is here.
Terry Gibson is here.
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Command Lee Garrett, case number SP 136-89931, SP 136-91861. Appearance for the record, please.
Sharika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Command Garrett.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Will enter a not guilty plea in your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. This offer is going to be pleading that to the allowing, straight up to the allowing, dismiss the other matter, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. He has an absolute right to a trial. put you in the breakout room, Mr. Garrett, with Ms. Harris, and let us know what you want to do when you come out. City of Detroit versus LaDonna Jean Rack, case number SP 1311649, counts 1, 2, and 3, SP 18431. Appearance for the record, please.
Barry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full names, Mike.
Ms. LaDonna Jean Rack.
Yes, here.
State your name. State your name, please. Good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning, LaDonna Rack.
All right. Today is the date and time set for show cause. Go ahead, Counsel.
My client would stand mute, Your Honor.
Enter not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Ms. Rack, do you have valid license, registration, and insurance?
No, I don't.
Trying to get license, registration, and insurance?
Eventually, yeah, but not at this true moment. But I'm not driving anymore, or anything like that.
That's what they all say, Ms. Rack. Ms. Snyder, Ms. Rack has a 1 to 5, no insurance, unregistered, untitled, driver's license never acquired. What's her offer? Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. The offer for Ms. Rack would be an FTD and an improper plate. Dismiss the balance.
240 plus 240, and did you give me the file? Did we arrange this, Rack?
Huh? I'm sorry, say that again.
Yeah, I'm talking to your counsel.
Oh, it was a show cause. We certainly.
Yeah, it was a $0 bond, enter not guilty plea on her behalf. All right, 240 and 240, improper FTD and an improper plate. Dismiss the other two. I'll dismiss the improper plate upon when she pays a 240. The failure to display will be abstracted to her license and will remain on her record. You have an absolute right to a trial, Ms. Rack. I'm gonna let you speak to Mr. Barry in the breakout room to see what you want to do.
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right.
Hello, can y'all hear me?
Yes.
All right, I've been typing in this, I ain't mean to interrupt the court, but I've been typing in this chat box with no response. I'm trying to make sure I'm in the right courtroom, and this Zoom messing up. It's kicking me on and off, the audio horrible, and it's freezing.
What's your
I'm trying
name?
to see. First name Daniel, last name Lipford, Lipford.
I'm sure you're in the right spot. Let me make sure. Yes. You're in
Okay,
the right
appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. DeAndre.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning to you. What's your full name, sir?
Good morning. DeAndre Griggs Washington.
Griggs Washington. Where is good morning to you? What's going on? Griggs Washington. What is it? Is it just there? Is it just in here?
Just hide it here.
Just in here, huh?
Yeah, yeah. They call on 4:30, yeah.
I don't see Griggs Washington on the docket. Let's see. Let's look up.
Judge, I think my initial court date was Friday, but I got a mistake and thought it was today.
That's why I don't see it on here. Is it Hyman Washington?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. City of Detroit versus DeAndre Griggs Washington, case number 108-5220, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 109-88091. Appearance for the record, please. This is for DeAndre Griggs Washington, Ms. Harris.
Erica Harris. On behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Command Garrett. Washington. Oh, my bad.
Mr. Griggs Washington was supposed to be here Friday. He missed his date. As for show cause.
My client stands mute, Your Honor.
You're not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. Mr. Griggs Washington, do you have a valid license?
Yes, sir.
Run his license, please. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Kamang Lee Garrett. Mr. Garrett, I've given you an opportunity to speak with Ms. Harris in the breakout room. Ms. Harris, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we're respectfully requesting a trial date, but we would also ask if the court could see if there's a trial date set, any other court dates or any other matters that might be set for future dates.
That's all I saw was 2, I think.
Okay. Trial date, please, and thank you.
Let me make sure. See, these 2 tickets that he got that we put on the record today, the allegation was made July the 9th, 2022. And he had 2 other tickets, allegations were made 5/8/2023. He paid those, closed the matters out. So we'll put a trial date, October the 24th, sir, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay.
October 24th, 2023, 9 a.m. Come back then, we'll get some resolution on that date. All right. Let's go back on the record. Have a good day, sir, if you don't have any further questions. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Griggs Washington. He has a valid license. Your offer is going to be blocking traffic, $175 for the disregard and traffic control device. That's a 0-point offense. It doesn't abstract to the Secretary of State, therefore it doesn't carry any points. We'll dismiss the improper license for provided valid documentation. You have an absolute right to a trial. What do you want to do, Mr. Griggs Washington?
I'll take the deal.
All right, blocking traffic. Will you stipulate on behalf of your client to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea counselor?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll find your client responsible, responsible. Then they count a blocking traffic, $175 and dismiss the other 2 matters. I'll waive the warrant fee, but you're paid a $45 reinstatement fee for that license ticket as well. When can you pay it, sir?
I've already paid all my reinstatement fees.
No, you owe reinstatement fee. You paid the one for the no proof of insurance. That's what got your license. You owe another reinstatement fee for this for the license improper ticket that you got.
Okay.
I waive the warrant fee though. When can you pay? It's 175 is what I'm concerned about.
I can pay it close to the end of the month.
You concern yourself with the, I'm gonna give you 2 weeks, August 7th, that, pay it by then, pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the courthouse and pay it. I'm told you can upload the DivDat after your phone. 2 best ways I can tell you to pay it that will do instantly. If you don't have any further questions, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, and now was that the 175 or the 45?
Well, that's the 175. The 45 you can pay anytime as well.
Okay, yeah, can I get a couple more weeks then? Like maybe the end of August.
I'm gonna give you till August 24th.
All right, that's cool.
Okay, if there's nothing further, sir, have a good day. Best of luck.
Okay, you too. Appreciate it.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Rack. Ms. Rack, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client would have this matter set for a bench trial.
Very well. That's what you want to do, Ms. Rack?
Yes.
All right, October 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m., Ms. Rack. Come back then. We'll get some resolutions on that day. Hopefully you can bring a valid driver's license in by then.
Okay. And around the same time?
9 a.m.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Have a great day, ma'am.
All right. You too.
You're on. Gwen. You there, ma'am?
Yes, sir, I'm here. My camera doesn't appear to be working right now.
City of Detroit versus why doesn't it work now?
I'm sorry?
Why doesn't it work now?
I don't know. I'm trying to get it going right now.
If this helps. I know we'll get it going quickly. We'll pass the matter until it starts working.
Okay.
Usually
I just got
well.
an invite to start it. It's working.
Very well. This is the City of Detroit versus Sierra Angel Gwen. Case numbers SP 1457642, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry. Elwood S. Berry on behalf of Ms. Gwen.
State your name, Ms. Gwen, please.
Sierra Gwen.
All right, today is the date and time set for a show cause, no, pretrial. Ms. Gwen, do you have a valid license?
Currently, I do not. I was mistaken. Last time I was here, I told you that I should have had it on the 14th, but I currently do not.
What happened?
Due to refusal, I was misunderstood. I will not have it till March 2023. But I had received a letter in the mail stating that they were going to send me a restricted license, but they did not.
Well, that refusal, that's a harsh suspension. All right, well, this is gonna probably, I don't know what it's gonna do with this failure to display. Is gonna be offered $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial. We can set you up with a date, or you can take the failure to display that will abstract to the Secretary of State. It doesn't carry any points, but it lets them know you've been driving while you were suspended. I'm gonna let you speak. I'll let you speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Let us know what you want to do when you come out. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Join the room, please. All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Ms. Ms. Lindsay, is that, what was that, Felicia? Your first name?
Valisa.
Felisa?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Felisa Marie. Lindsay, case number, SP 1464969, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Lindsay, please state your name for the record.
Valisa Lindsay.
Let's call the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counsel.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. This is a driving while license revoked. You have to join the breakout. Failure to display will be offered $240 fine. Dismiss the other matter. Join the break. Let us know the consequences of she has an absolute right to a trial, and she can take the deal if she chooses as well. Speak to Ms. Harris, Ms. Lindsay. Hit join on your phone. Ms. Lanier, are you there?
Yes. Shantae Lanier?
Yeah, do you have valid insurance?
Yes.
You have the document with you?
Yes.
City of Detroit versus Shantae Lanier, case number SP 1422761. State your name for the record, please, Ms. Lanier.
Shantae Lanier.
Today is the date and time set for a show call. I'm just going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. Ms. Lanier, let's see what you have as far as insurance is concerned. All right, hold on 1 second. Okay. Satisfied with that.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to dismiss your case for providing valid documentation. All right.
Okay, thank you.
Nothing further. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. Bye.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Lindsay. Ms. Lindsay, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, although she was advised of the possible consequences with regards to a fail to display on her driving privileges, she wishes to waive her right to trial and enter a plea.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Lindsay?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand, please. Other right.
Oh, yeah, damn. I mean, dang.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Put your hand down, ma'am. Ma'am, you understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and over $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
You understand by taking this off, you're going to give up that trial right?
Yes.
Ms. Harris went over your other rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know you're going to be giving up those rights when you take this deal?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to May the 6th, 2023 at around 3:22 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Plymouth and Piedmont. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
You're operating a motor vehicle that day?
Yes.
That officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you?
No.
Why?
You said why?
Yes.
Because my license was suspended.
Very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to display a $240 fine. Stipulation of probable cause. I'll dismiss the other matter.
No stipulated, Your Honor.
All right, $240, ma'am. When can you pay it?
I can pay today.
All right. And we put this in the system now. If you go downstairs and pay it, we'll close it out. All right. And bring the receipt. Bring the receipt back up. $240. Ms. Mathis will put it in right now. Thank you, Ms. Mathis.
All right. Thank you.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
No, we'll just reclose
Get the thing, come back. Okay.
City of Detroit versus Aisha Shante Lyles, case numbers SP 133, strike that, SP 113-6745, 1, SP 145-07292, and 18 3963481 and SP 125-73862. Appear, state your name for the record, please, ma'am. Ms. Lyles here. We'll pass the matter and see if she ever comes back. All right, let's go to Mr. Oliver Owens. Oliver Owens, you there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir. This is City of Detroit versus Oliver Owens, the second. Case number SP 145-6687, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Owens.
My name is Oliver Owens, the second.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is a date and time set for a pretrial. You have valid registration and insurance?
Sir, the issue with that, I don't even have a vehicle. What happened that day, if you don't mind me explaining, I was driving a friend's car.
Let me stop.
Yes,
a friend's car?
Yes.
Do you own a vehicle, sir?
No, sir.
All right, you can go ahead and explain. I don't know if that's going to change Ms. Schneider's mind or not on the offer, but you can go ahead.
Yes, sir. Well, basically,
Your Honor, could we seek an offer from Ms. Snyder?
Offer's going to be improper plate, $240 fine, dismiss upon payment. We'll dismiss the other matter now. It doesn't carry any points. It is a misdemeanor, but we'll dismiss the misdemeanor once you pay the $240. Why don't you go into the breakout room, Mr. Owen, and speak to Mr. Berry, and you can let him know what happened out there, and then you guys can come up with something. All right? You have an absolute right to a trial. All right. Join the room. Hold on a second, Ms. Berry. What's Ms. Gunn gonna do?
I'll set the matter for bench trial, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Gunn. Ms. Gunn, after giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room, you want a trial/formal hearing, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
More trial dates, please. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna give you a trial date of October 24th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Okay, I'm sorry. What day was that? October 24th?
24th, 2023, 9 a.m.
Okay, thank you so much.
Very well. Join the breakout room, speak with Mr. Owens. Mr. Berry, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Do you have Dr. Love on the docket for this morning?
Love.
I'm sorry. Am I all set? I'm sorry to interrupt. This is Sierra.
Yeah, you're all set, Ms. Gunn.
Okay, thank you.
Back on the 24th. Yeah, I do have our Trail Love on the docket today.
Okay, thank you.
On that TINNO device. Okay, let's go with Greenwood. Is Greenwood here? Where's Greenwood? Oh, there you are. City of Detroit versus Katie Jaleisha Greenwood, case number SP1448791, SP144925051. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Greenwood, please state your name.
Can you hear us? Can you hear us, Ms. Greenwood?
She stated her name, but it was very low.
I didn't hear anything at all.
Record was very, very, very faint, Your Honor, and I'm unable to hear Ms. Greenwood as well as she has the background noise interfering.
Ms. Greenwood, can you state your name for the record? All right, something's wrong with her audio. Something's wrong with her audio. So until you get your audio together, ma'am, we're gonna pass the matter.
Maybe she can log out and log back in, Your Honor, because I'm not sure what we do.
You can try that, ma'am. I'll let you right back in. If you log out, log back in. What's Mr. Lipford is saying this is horrible. I don't know what's so horrible. All right, Mr. Gonzalez, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning. This is the City of Detroit versus 8 Laredo Gonzalez, case number SP129-06981. Appearance for the record, please.
Abelardo Gonzalez.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gonzalez.
Today is the date and time set for a pretrial. You have valid registration for this vehicle, sir?
Yes, I don't own the vehicle anymore due to a car accident that's also reported. But I do have the registration, and I did have registration during that time. So I have it physically right now.
Let's see what you have.
Insurance. Okay.
Let's see the registrations.
Okay.
DeMondre.
Yeah, I was just checking with you about a call phone.
All right. 2/2/5/21/2023 or let's see what this ticket says.
Hi, Your Honor, I'm back.
Okay, hold on one second. All right, I'll dismiss the matter for providing valid documentation, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
Man, it's just paid. It's paid. We'll close the matter out.
Okay, she wanted to ask about this matter, but she never come back on the subject.
Your Honor, I just wanted to ask, am I dismissed?
Yeah, you're dismissed, sir. Have a very good day. Good luck to you.
Likewise, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
Let's go back on the, Miss Gatewood. Ms. Gatewood, state your name for the record, please.
Yes, Katie Greenwood.
Greenwood, I'm sorry. Ms. Greenwood, do you have a valid license, ma'am?
I am unaware at this moment, but I'm not driving. I haven't drove for the last 3 months.
That's probably like a no then. Somebody that doesn't know whether they have a valid license, I would assume that they don't have a valid license. Let's see. Can you run Ms. Greenwood's license, please, Ms. Knox? All right, let me pass the matter. Let me take a brief break. Hold on one second.
Yeah, the court was a while.
I know, that's right. Right. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Ms. Greenwood. Ms. Greenwood, my assumption was right. Anytime you don't know whether you have a license, I'm thinking it's probably suspended. Why don't you get a license, ma'am?
My license is the last time I was driving, I was aware that my license were active. I got pulled over, and that's when I found out my license were suspended. So I don't know why.
You won't be eligible for a license until March the 2nd, 2024. So the offer is going to be failure to display. I know that might further may push that back even further, but that's the offer. I'll let Ms. Harris speak to you in a breakout room. You have an absolute right to a trial, and you can speak to Ms. Harris about it, all right?
Okay, yes, right.
We'll dismiss the other matter.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, join the breakout room, please. Failure to display, $240 fine. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Owens. Mr. Owens, I'll give you an opportunity to speak to Mr. Berry in a breakout room. Do you get that off your chest, Mr. Owens?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so what's your client want to do, Mr. Berry? Mr. Berry, go.
Well, we'd like to set this matter for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Oh, very well. That's what you want to do, Mr. Owens?
Yes, sir.
October 25th, strike that. October 26th, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes, sir.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, have a good one.
All right, very well. On that 586-754-2408 number, 586-754-2408. Press star 6. Unmute yourself.
I'm good on this one. I gotta go to court on the 26th of October. Hold on, let me make sure.
October at 9 a.m. I'm gonna put you out. There you go. 586. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Aisha Lyles. Miss Lyles, state your name for the record, please. Is Miss Lyles here? Okay, she keeps getting on and on. All right, let's pass that matter. Gatewood. Did you speak to Gatewood already?
I spoke with Ms. Greenwood, yes, and we're seeking a trial.
I guess I'm gonna keep messing that up all the time. I'm sorry, Ms. Greenwood. Back on the record with Ms. Katie Greenwood. You want a trial date, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
October 26, 2023 at 9 a.m., okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms.
Thank you.
Greenwood, have a good day, ma'am. Good luck to you.
You too, sir. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Well, Ms. Granberry. Granberry there?
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
Javar.
Yes, sir.
This is
You
Javar
can hear me?
Granberry. Yeah, Javar Granberry Jr.
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Javar Granberry Jr., case number SP 137-23751, SP 1454201, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Granberry.
Javar Granberry Jr.
All right, we got one case that's under warrant status. Go ahead, Counselor, on that.
Yes, Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand.
Well, not guilty plea in your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. He's got 2 insurance tickets and one of these, I believe it's a marijuana ticket. Absolute right to a trial. Do you have valid insurance, sir?
No, I do not. I planned on selling the car that I currently have, so I didn't get insurance, but I have a valid driver's license and registration. If I need to get insurance on it to make anything easier, I will.
You do.
Well, I don't know what they'll do about this marijuana ticket, what the offer is on those.
I didn't know how that went either. I didn't know how that went either.
Let's wait on Miss Schneider. When she comes back, I'll get you an offer, and then you can make a decision on what you want to do. All right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's pass the matter. We'll wait on an offer, and then you can make a decision. And you can speak to a lawyer to help you make that decision.
Okay.
All right. Now we got down to Daniel Lipford.
All right, I'm here.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
You said what?
What's the problem? What's horrible?
The audio, man. The Zoom keep freezing. It's kicking me out. I can't hear. It's all bad.
Miss Harris, tell Miss Greenwood you can go in the breakout room and let her know. Miss Greenwood.
Yes.
Miss Greenwood, if you don't have any further questions, you're free to leave.
Okay, so that the court date was October the 26th.
October the 26th, 2023 at 9 a.m.
All right, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great day. City of Detroit versus Daniel Lee Lipford, case number SP 1463373, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lipford.
Daniel Lipford.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. Mr. Lipford, your offer is going to be pleading as charged to the allowing a $240 fine, dismiss upon payment, and we'll dismiss the no proof of insurance now. You have an absolute right to a trial. Join the breakout room, speak to Mr. Berry about it, and let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
All right, thank you.
All right. All right, let's move on to Love, Dartrell Love.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. City of Detroit versus Gartrell Kent Love, case number SP 11447951, SP 144644951, and 05393041. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name.
Dr. Love.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial in the matter. It appears, though, as you have this no ops ticket was here 2021. You pled to that on 8/19. That matter was paid. All right, so we'll close that out. That's SP 1144795. Then SP 144644951. That's picked. And then 05393001. I'm gonna close that out as well. He paid, I don't know what the conditions were, whether it goes back to 2009. So what we're dealing with is SP 144644951. The standard offer of that is failure to display, $240 fine. You have an absolute right to a trial. Why don't you speak to Ms. Harris in the breakout room? Let us know what you want to do when you come out, all right?
All right.
Let's go back on the record with Ms. Lyles. Ms. Lyles, state your name for the record, please.
Aisha Lyles.
All right, today is the date and time set for a review. I don't think you paid anything, Ms. Lyles. Nothing.
I haven't. I get paid today. I can make some payments, and I was trying to see if I can get on a payment plan.
You have to go down to the court and come downstairs and make the payment plan.
Okay, I can come up there tomorrow. Come up there tomorrow morning.
I'm gonna give you another 30 days, either pay some or make the payment plan or do something.
Okay, I'm gonna make a payment today. I'm gonna pay like 2 of the tickets, and then I'm gonna come get on a payment plan for the rest.
All right. This, I'll come back on August the 24th, 2023 at 8:25. All right, Ms. Lyle?
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day, man.
You too.
Kevin Dion G.
And what was that date? August?
24th. All right, this is the city of Detroit. Let's call it Angel Lions.
You said hello? Hello?
Hold on a second. I'm gonna call you next when I get a lawyer in here, all right? Where's Angel Lions?
I'm right here, sir.
I understand that. I'm looking for your file, ma'am. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
I thought I printed this stuff out. Review.
At 8:21.
Oh, she's got other cases too.
See you real quick, bro.
That court right here.
Let me get this G file for you.
All right, I'm gonna wait on this, Ms. Lyons. You got new cases. Oh, hers is pretrial. It wasn't reviewed. I thought yours was reviewed. All right, let's move. Where is Kevin G? Kevin G.
Okay, I'm pulling his file right now.
Your Honor, it's a show cause ticket. Well, it's for no insurance, and then it was for registration too. But I had got all of that. I just missed the first court date, which was like 6-7 months ago.
Do you have proof of the insurance?
Yeah.
Let's see what you have and registration.
Hold on. I'll write this camera. This the proof of the insurance.
5320. Hold on. Went away. 53. Let's see the registration.
This the registration, but it already got sent into a default judgment because I missed the court date for it.
City of Detroit versus Kevin Dion G. Case number SP 1403158. Counts 2 and counts 3. State your name for the record, sir.
Kevin G.
We'll call it set the day as date time set for a show cause. I enter not guilty plea on your behalf, give you a $0 bond. At this time, what I'll do is I will dismiss the tickets. Hold on. Ms. Harris, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. G?
Cherica Harris on behalf of Mr. G.
All right, today is the date and time set for show cause. I'll give him a $0 bond, enter not guilty plea on his behalf. At this time, I want to dismiss his case as he provided valid documentation. All right.
Your Honor, the one with the expiration, because I had came down there and tried to file a motion to get that to get a new court date, but they denied the motion, but then sound like a default judgment.
I just told you I dismissed the cases, sir.
Oh, okay.
All right, nothing further. Have a good day, sir. Good best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Andre Green. All right, what's going to do with let's go back on the record with Mr. Gartrell Love. Mr. Love, give me an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting a trial date. However, Mr. Love did want to be certain that these are not matters that he had already paid and wanted to know if there was anything that he needed to pay in advance of the next court date.
No, I think Mr. Love has you paid the other stuff. This is a civil. This is a misdemeanor, so you would have to come to court and have this adjudicated before there's any kind of fine or cost, if there was any kind of fine or cost. So no, he doesn't owe anything else. He just has this one matter. We'll set up a trial day. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Love?
Yes.
October 26, 2023 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right, if there's nothing further, have a good day, sir. Best of luck.
Thank you. You too.
What about Lidford? Let's go back on the record with Mr. Lidford. Mr. Lidford, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we need, and speak essentially to the prosecutor. Mr. Lipford has the sales document from Secretary of State that reflects his sale of the document in 2022, and this is as to the 98 GMC vehicle.
Okay. You want to, I'll put you in a breakout room with Ms. Snyder. Talk to Ms. Snyder about it, and then, or did you need Mr. Lipford in there as well?
I think not. No, I have the document.
Very well. Join the breakout room, Ms. Snyder. Speak to Mr. Barry, please. All right, let's go with Andre Green. Andre Green.
I'm here.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Date of birth. Middle name.
Marcella. Date of birth 8/20/1980.
City of Detroit versus Andre Green, Andre Marcellus Green. Case number SP 141-6244, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 141-67771, SP 141-67791. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris on behalf of Mr. Green. Mr. Green, please state your name.
Andre Marcellus Green.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pretrial. I do have a better driver certificate. He completed the better driver's course. Congratulations on that, sir. By way of offer, let's see if we have Mark 1 in the file or not. Okay, Officer Latch appeared. Offer was driving while license suspended and.
Your Honor, I think the last time we were here, he was coming back. He was supposed to come back having fixed everything. And then the prosecutor was going to review and possibly give him a better offer.
Yeah.
Right. So I fixed my windshield.
Let's see the windshield.
I had the receipt right here.
Let's see the receipt.
This is how much I paid, $150 for it. And
okay, I'm satisfied with that. He has a driver course. And what else was there?
I submitted my insurance. Oh, the registration. I submitted it through email as soon as I left the court, along with the
insurance. You did? I believe I remember that.
Yes.
Uh-oh, man, taking care of business.
Yeah.
Let's see. Andre Green.
Yes.
I have valid insurance here, Progressive.
Yeah.
And this also has, I don't see the registration, but that's insurance. Okay, I got a driving course certificate. All right. What's the offer? He had the 31 plus over the speed limit. Counselor, Ms. Snyder, appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alexa Schneider for the people, P80322. I vaguely do remember this matter. Where was the speeding?
Let's see.
On Davidson.
Davidson Freeway?
Right off as soon as the Davidson Freeway let off, right off Pat's Conant.
Davis, this says East McNichols and Conway. Oh, so you got up to McNichols.
Yes, it's like across the street.
I know where it is. Yeah. All right.
I do remember this matter, Your Honor, and I remember us discussing setting it over. He brought in everything. It was a pretty fast speeding. Given the amount of speed, I wouldn't be comfortable taking it to a blockading, but I could take it down to a limited access 1 to 5, which is 0 points. He shouldn't lose his license.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
I don't know if you can do much better than that, sir. I don't know. Yeah, that's all right. You want to take the deal?
Yeah, I'll take that deal. I would like to keep my license.
Yeah, I'm sure you would.
I'm gonna slow down. I'm paying off everything, as I go. So make sure it doesn't happen again.
Now, does he have a license?
Yes, I do. I got it. Valid license right here.
All right. Well, it's 1 to 5 over. We'll dismiss the other matters. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea counselor.
So stipulated, Your Honor, to limited access 1 to 5 over.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
All right. Find your client responsible for the amended count of limited access 1 to 5. $125 fine. When can you pay it, sir?
Could I have 7 days? I can have it paid by Monday.
I'll give you until first Tuesday.
Okay, appreciate it.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Best of luck to you. Slow it down and have a very good day.
Thank you very much. Really appreciate you guys.
Yeah. All right. Grayson. Johnny.
Yes.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
What's your middle name?
Reed, R-E-E.
Are you a junior?
Yes, sir.
City of Detroit versus Johnny Reed Grayson Jr. Case number P. Strike that 1440091. Counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, Mr. Grayson.
Johnny Reed Grayson Jr.
All right. Today is going to be the date and time set for a show cause. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. My client would stand mute.
Well, let me see something else. Hold on. Let's also call SP 1396109 counts 1 and counts 2 into the record. Why that's that's why. is your date of birth, sir?
1676.
As for purposes of the show cause, counselor, in our not guilty plea on your client's behalf, I'll give your client a $0 bond. I was looking at one, how do you spell your name?
JOHNNIE.
Okay, it's spelled down here on one of the tickets. The first two cases I called, the 14 cases is spelled right. That was a no ops and an unregistered untitled. Seems like you paid. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close those both out. That was back in 2014. You got the allegation was made 2014, and it seemed like you paid those matters. You took care of them in 2019. And you paid those, finished paying them in 2020. So close those matters out. As for the other matters, I printed another one out.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, there's two, it's spelled two different ways.
Okay.
All right, that's a no ops and no registration, no insurance. You have a valid driver's license and insurance, sir?
No, I don't have driver's license, but I have insurance.
It's gonna be a failure to display, $240 fine. Why can't you get a license?
Every time I have to have a meeting with the board to get them, and every time it seems like I get close, I catch something like this.
Absolute right to a trial, Mr. Berry. You could speak with him in a breakout room. It's probably gonna push it back. I think he knows it's probably gonna push it back further if you take this failure to display. $240 fine, maybe Mr. Berry can help you. All right, sit in there and wait in the breakout room for a second for Mr. Berry to join it. All right.
All right.
All right, let's go, Mr. Berry, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lipford. Mr. Lipford, I've given you an opportunity to speak with counsel. I'll give you an opportunity, Mr. Berry, to speak with Madam Snyder. What would you like to do? How's this gonna work out?
If the court can confirm the vehicle as the GMC vehicle, then the matter will be dismissed.
1998 GMC green in color, EQY 97.
There we go.
That's the one we thought.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss the cases for, providing valid documentation, I guess.
Yep, I would think.
All right. All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Lipford, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thanks. Y'all have a good one.
All right, go ahead and talk to Mr. Grayson, Mr. Berry.
Yes, sir.
iPhone, who is iPhone? Sleep, you sleep, iPhone? Mr. Grayson, Mr. Berry's in there. Go back and join the room.
Okay, I'm trying to figure out how to get back in there.
You go to that more button down there, and then you could pop back up. That breakout room should still be open. Is iPhone sleep? Is that Miss Gibson, Terry? Javard Granberry, what about you? Did you have a new? You're free to leave, aren't you, Mr. Granberry? What was your?
No, you told me. You told me, sir, that I was supposed to receive an offer, and I never broke out to any breakout room or got any offer.
Let's that's right. let's go back on the record. Well, we don't necessarily have to go on the record. Miss Schneider.
His the marijuana, the MRTMA charge, that'll be with the state. If he pleads to anything with them, I'll dismiss the insurance count. If they dismiss, I'll do an improper plate.
All right. So let's go back on the record with Mr. Jabbar Granberry. Mr. Granberry, so either or, we don't have the state in here for an offer. You indicated that you can get valid insurance, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, you had that vehicle, you're still driving, right?
Yes, I still have the vehicle. I just planned on selling it, so I wasn't trying to get insurance until I got something new. But if, like I said, if me having insurance is the better route, take that route.
Well, put it this way: if you're driving the car, you should have insurance. If you're selling the car, I imagine you can bring if you sell it, we'll set a trial date for October the 26th. That way we'll get the state in here, potentially get you an offer. If the state doesn't show up, then that case will be dismissed. You'll still have these 2 no insurance cases. If you sell the car and you don't have a car, then you show us proof that you sold the car. If you do have a car, show us proof of insurance. All right.
Well, can I what if I'm trying to get the 2 no insurances off my record like as soon as possible? How would the best way to be doing that? How to go about that?
You don't have insurance.
Let's see. I don't know why. What's the no insurance gonna? How is it harming?
I mean, it's not really harming you. I just like, honestly, me personally, I just like having a clean record. So when I get tickets,
your record is clean. Your record is clean. We recalled the warrant. You're not guilty of anything right now. You're an innocent man right now. You come back October 26th, and like I say, if you have a vehicle, show us some insurance. You still have to deal with the marijuana case. If you sell the vehicle and you don't own a vehicle, at least show proof that you sold the vehicle, and then you still got to deal with the marijuana case. So either or. It's probably only going to be one case that you have to deal with anyway. Because if you get found guilty or plead to the marijuana, then the city will dismiss the 2 no insurance tickets. If vice versa, you get, I'm sure, I don't know what the state will do. We'll get them in here, but it's going to probably only be one plea if there's a plea at all.
okay,
right.
So you're just saying get the insurance so October 26th I can show them.
Well, yeah, if you're driving the vehicle, you definitely need to have insurance on it anyway. So that's no question. So you know, come back October, yeah, but definitely bring the proof of insurance. Come back October 26, 2023 at 9 a.m. We'll get some resolution to it, all right?
Okay, October 26th, 9:30?
9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
You too. October 26th.
9 a.m. October 26th. All right. Is that Gibson Terry that fell asleep on me?
I didn't fall asleep on you, Your Honor. I'm just trying to work this thing here.
Okay.
I got skipped because I was unable to work this Zoom thing.
You didn't get skipped.
Well, I was kind of late with saying, "Hey, I'm here." So that's all.
No, I know, but you're in. I have you. You're in the spot that you were in.
Okay.
I got you in the spot that you came in. So you're in the same spot.
Okay.
City of Detroit versus Terry Renee Gibson, case number SP 126-90481. Appearance for the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Ms. Gibson, please state your name.
Terry Renee Gibson.
All right, today is the date and time set for a trial. Officer Robinson, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Officer Willie Robinson, badge 2590, Detroit Police.
All right. What's the offer gonna be, Ms. Harris, Mr. Schneider?
Like it's reckless. I'll do due care and caution for waste utility vehicle.
That's a 2-point offense?
I believe so, Your Honor. Yes,
Due
and
care-
then crossing guard is 3.
$240, 2 points on your driver's license. Speak to Mrs. Harris in the breakout room, and you can have an opportunity to discuss the matter, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, please. All right, what's all right. Good morning, Mr. Lloyd.
Yeah, good morning.
Do we have video? We get Officer for 586 number never answered. Press *6 to unmute yourself on. I know, Miss. I know you're not driving. Ms. Lyons. Ms. Lyons. I know you're not driving. I'm removing you from the room. All right, let's go back on the record with Mrs. Lyons' driver's license. I know she doesn't have.
Ms. Lyons.
And Angel and Angelic Lyons. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Grayson. Mr. Grayson, giving you an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, we sent this matter for bench trial.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Grayson?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna give you a trial date, October 26, 2023 at 9 a.m., all right?
Yes.
There's nothing further, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Thank you. You do the same.
Thank you. All right, that 586 is not answering. Snyder, can you go in there and get Officer Borshout, please? That's 586-754-2408. Press *6 to unmute yourself, please. Does have a valid license. Okay, 586-754. Baker, Corporal Baker, I don't see you on the docket today. Corporal Baker. All right. Good morning, Officer Borsch. Do we have a video for Mr. Lloyd?
Yes, we do.
Okay, now, how do we do this? How should we do this? All right, let's do this first. Let's go back on the record.
Can I have a breakout room with Ms. Schneider?
All right, let me put you in a breakout room with Ms. Snyder.
Oh, and before we go into that breakout room, Your Honor, were there other tickets that Ms. Gibson may have paid?
Oh, yeah. Improper lane use. That's 2 points. And maybe more.
Is that the only one?
No. Left of Center Street. No proof of insurance. Pay them all.
Okay, thank you.
All right, how are we gonna do this video thing? Hold tight, Ms. Gibson.
So Your Honor, Officer Boris, I can do a screen share and I just play it as with that.
All right, maybe you have to help me out on this Williams law.
Okay, Your Honor, what would you need me to do?
I guess we're gonna share the screen and play it. Just let it play. We'll wait. We'll wait on Ms. Harris to come back as well. And that'll be it. I don't know if it's 586. He must have, or she must have fell asleep. I'm gonna put them out the room. Maybe they'll return back in. Or maybe we can call them. Hold on.
At the tone, please record your message. When you finish recording, you may hang. At the tone, please record your message. When you
Oh, Lindsay, this
Oh, this was with the reviews. It was a missing and I called for it. Secure files.
Paid, so.
He never paid, okay, it was just in the stack. Okay, see you later.
You guys have a good day.
Enjoy your lunch.
Well, it still never got cool in here, did it?
It really did, I don't know what he did. I didn't pay no attention. The morning is freezing in here. Ooh.
Okay, what's your name? Good morning to you. What's your name, please?
You talking to me, sir?
Yes, what's your name?
Arthur Groves.
Groves?
Yes, G-R-O-V as in Victor, E-S. Hello?
Yeah, hold on a second. City of Detroit versus Arthur William Groves, case number SP 1444573. Counts 1 and
Yes,
counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, sir. The attorney in another courtroom, he told me to call back. They kicked me out. I've been on since 8:30.
No, I know. We tried to call you earlier, but you couldn't unmute yourself for some reason. Appearance for the record, please, Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Groves.
Arthur William Groves.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. Mr. Groves, your office is going to be pleading to the amended count of disorderly conduct. $240 fine will dismiss the failure to signal stop. Or, hold on one second. Yeah, we'll dismiss the other matter. I'm going to put you in a breakout with Mr. Berry and have a discussion with him. All right. He has
Yes,
you have an absolute right to a trial. Join the room, please. He's in there, Mr. Berry.
Got it.
It's an EWOP ticket.
Yeah, I see.
Oh, Joseph Dillard, he was here. Call Mr. Dillard on the phone.
Oh, he was on Zoom.
He had zoomed in earlier.
What's the defendant's name again?
Arthur Groves. Miss Apple's retired.
Felicia Eccles?
Hmm.
She retired? She didn't mention to me a while back that she was gonna retire.
She did.
So she went ahead and did.
35 years.
35 years, that's a long time. Wow. 35 years. That's a person that works in really good. 35. Okay, so.
Dillard, we need Dillard.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Groves. Mr. Groves, I see you were appointed a counsel. Did you ever get in contact? Did he ever get in contact with you?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. Matter of fact, he's in another courtroom. Somehow or other, I got disconnected and I called him. He said he knew he was just about done with what he was doing now and call back and get it back in the courtroom. So when he got done, he'd come to us, I guess.
I'll call him anyway. Stand by. We'll get in touch with him. I saw him come in here earlier. I did see that, so. We'll get in touch with them and get them in here.
Okay, Your Honor. So I just stay on the phone again?
Yes, please.
Attorney Dillard. Yes, good morning. This is Jamira calling from Judge Practice Courtroom. Your client is on Zoom and we just need your presence to assist him. Okay, you're in 3-3. You're in docket 333 with Archer.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Gibson. Ms. Gibson, Ms. Harris, I've given you an opportunity to speak with everybody. What you gonna do?
Yeah, actually, we're just gonna, if we could, wait just a few more moments. I believe Madam Prosecutor is trying to reach out to Officer Robinson.
Officer Robinson, they're on the phone, probably talking now.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
And Judge, I was trying to send my completion of my better driver's course. I was trying to send it to you in the message, but I'm having a hard time with that.
You want to email it to me?
Sure.
Let's put my email address in the chat.
Okay.
You paid all of those civil infractions and you got a lot of points on your license. You saw that, Ms. Harris?
I didn't know. This is my first go around with something like this. So I didn't know that I wasn't supposed to pay.
All right, stand by. All right, Mr. Dillard, good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr.
Your Honor, with respect to Mr. Groves, I just received discovery on that case yesterday, or at least I got some video and police reports. Could this request that this matter be rescheduled for pretrial?
Okay, pretrial is going to be October 5th, 2023, 8:30. I believe you have Mr. Grove's number. You guys have been in contact already.
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, he's online. He's on the telephone. He's been there since.
He's on here now. We've spoken with. He's on here. I just wanted to make sure you guys have communicated as well. So I believe you have. You let me know that. So October 5th, 2023, 9 at 8:30, pre-trial.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, October 5th, 2023, Mr. Groves, 8:30. If you don't have any further questions, sir, you're free to leave. And good morning to you, Mr. Dillard. You're free to leave as well.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great day.
Ms. Harris, let's call the city of Detroit versus Eric Caleb Lloyd. Case numbers SP 127-23431. State your name for the record, sir.
Eric Lloyd.
All right. Officer, Borsch, state your name and put your credentials on the record as well, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Boris, Detroit Police, -2102.
All right, good morning to you. All right, Ms. Harris, put your appearance on the record, please.
Erica Harris, on behalf of Mr. Lloyd.
I know you were, we have a thing here where we can share. Mr. Officer Borsch has the information that Mr. Lloyd was seeking. I figure we just play it right on the screen, right? Or how, I don't know if I can put you in a breakout room and you all can watch it or what. This is a continued formal hearing.
So whomever is going to share it, yes, we could go into a breakout room to review it, but that person needs to be made co-host so that they would have screen sharing capability.
Your Honor, Officer Boris, I do have the video for this. So I don't know if you want to put me in
I'm gonna put you all in a breakout room. Why don't you get that set? I'll put Mr. Lloyd in the breakout room as well.
Okay.
And we will give you an opportunity to watch it. And Ms. Harris, everybody will have an opportunity to watch it. Ms. Snyder can go in there as well. So join the room, please, and you guys can share the video. I don't necessarily think it's necessary for me to see. I don't know, but I'll let you all review it first. And if it is necessary, then you can come back out and let me know. All right. Join the room, please. Join the room, please. Mr. Groves.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're free to leave. Come back October 5th, okay?
Oh, I understand. I was told to be quiet, so I've been quiet. I'm sorry.
All right, sir. If there's nothing further, Mr. Groves, come back October 5th. Mr. Dillard you're probably gonna have a conversation with them in the meantime, all right?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
Your Honor.
Lyons never came back in the room when I was driving.
Oh, she didn't. Maybe she'll call.
Maybe she will.
This month is just about over.
Hmm.
Summer's gone. Playing my summer.
Just keep coming by so quick and going.
I know. I'm like, I'm gonna get it. I want summer, I'm gonna get it all set up where I'm just gonna be paying every weekend.
And then we just have Mrs. Gibson Terry. Ms. Gibson Terry, did you send the proof of the class?
Yes, Your Honor, I just emailed it to you. I just literally just sent it.
All right, Mr. Harris is working on yours as well, so they're gonna have another discussion and
I just can't afford those points on my record. Just
I know that's right. You pay those civil infractions, ma'am, that's automatically admitting responsibility. Those, whenever you get it, you need to set a court date and take the time to come to court. You know, it gives yourself at least a fighting chance to maybe, you know, most of the time there's always a offer that you at least avert some points, maybe not all of them, so.
Okay, lesson learned.
Yeah, it is. It is. Hopefully she can do something for you though. She's a very good lawyer. What about Lane's line?
Who's her? Yes. Did it bring up?
All right, Mr. Officer Bennett is here. Well, Corporal Bennett. He doesn't miss time. Corporal Bennett. Good morning to you. I've been trying to walk out the room a long time ago. Miss Lane never appeared, so I got a failure to appear bench warrant out. You are free to leave. Just be safe out there.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
As well.
I think they're following me out, Your Honor. We did, before we go back on the record with Mr. Lloyd, Attorney Harris and I did discuss about Miss Gibson, about perhaps asking for a stipulated adjournment for her to maybe have an attorney appointed. We're going to share video. She's paid a significant amount in civil infractions. I know she took the class. I think there's some more negotiation we can do with sharing the video.
Okay, we'll wait on Miss Harris to come out. As soon as she comes out, we'll get you out of here, Miss Gibson. If you need to speak, basically what all that Miss Snyder said was that we'll get some. Well, let's see. You wanted to appointed attorney. Need court appointed attorney. And before we just go back on the record.
Or do I, should I, I'm sorry to interrupt, Judge, should I get my own attorney for this matter?
That's totally up to you.
Okay.
That's totally up to you. What's your number? Phone number?
My phone number?
Yeah.
It's 313-915-1711.
If we have a court appointed one, they're gonna. That's why I needed that number. It's gonna be up to you. All right, let's do this. All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Gibson. Miss Gibson, I've given you an opportunity. Miss Harris, I've given you an opportunity. Everybody, an opportunity to speak about this matter. I see that there's some issues. Miss Gibson indicated to the court that she took the defensive driving course. I haven't received that yet, and I'll still wait on that. But you indicated that it's some matters that need to be resolved, can help be resolved with the video, and that Miss Gibson needs a appointed counsel, or she can retain her own. Is that your understanding, Ms. Harris?
That is, Your Honor.
Ms. Gibson, do you want to hire your own lawyer, or you want the court to see if we can appoint one for you?
I will have to give my uncle a call. Does it have to be Michigan?
He's got to be licensed in Michigan, or find a way to get a pro hoc vice. Is your uncle? Where's your uncle?
He's Houston, Texas. He's actually a judge.
I don't think he can represent you if he's a judge. Maybe he's going to find you a lawyer.
Probably so. That's my hopes.
Well,
I didn't know this matter. I didn't know this matter was going to be this serious, but yes, I'm seeming like I need my own attorney. Like I said, I didn't know I was not supposed to pay those tickets.
Ms. Harris, do you want to be appointed to this or no?
No, Your Honor.
What? It took her a while to answer that question. All right. All right. Well, you let us know what you want to do, Ms. Gibson. You want to come back next week and figure it out?
Yeah, if I have to.
Well, you got to come back at some point.
I just want this matter to be over, so my insurance is not as expensive.
It can be over, but you don't want it to be over like the offer is going to be, is what I'm understanding. I mean, is there potential to dismiss the case because she's paid and settle it up with all these points she's already gotten?
I mean,
I don't know that it would go that far, Your Honor, but we're discussing potential alternative resolutions.
Yeah, I mean, she's got 7 points, or at least 6 points on her license maybe already. That's what she would have with the if she pled straight up to a reckless, except the reckless would suspend your license for 90 days. Why don't you figure out what you want to do, Ms. Gibson? I'm going to come back on Friday. That way you'll have time to let us know whether you want a court-appointed lawyer. Let's preserve the discovery in the matter. If it's some video, come back on Friday. I'll give you a free trial. Let us know whether you want to, if you get in contact with your uncle, let us know whether you're going to hire your own lawyer.
Friday won't work for me.
Oh.
I have work. I'm sorry, I have to work. And I picked up a double for that day. And I work at the plant. So it's no way that I can like call you or Zoom call you, because I'm in the paint shop and nothing works there.
When what works for you, Miss? What about next Monday?
Next Monday should work.
Let's give you till next Monday to figure this out. You let us know if you want to get a court-appointed lawyer or you want a lawyer. The offer was the 2-point offense.
So with the 2 points, how long does that stay on my record?
2 to 3 years. Now, what I will say about this, I would think that these points would merge on this thing, because all of these tickets were written on the same incident.
Right.
So you'd have to look into that, but I think the points would merge and you would take the higher of the points. So let's get you a lawyer. Let's get you that. See if you want that lawyer. If you want the lawyer, we can appoint one. If you're not, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to speak with your uncle. Come back July the 23rd, all right? July the 31st.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
All right, Officer Robinson, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day and be safe, okay?
Yeah, you said July 23rd, sir?
July 31st, July 31st.
July 31st. All right, thank you.
Yes.
Donna, what was Miss Gibson's first name?
Terry.
Ms. Gibson, Terry, Renee Gibson, she's on 9 a.m., top of 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Trial. All right. Okay, you're free to leave, Ms. Gibson. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Eric Caleb Lloyd. Mr. Lloyd, I've given you an opportunity to view the video. Ms. Harris, what does that do? Is that in any way helpful for your client to understand what's going on? Do I need to see that to make a determination? What needs to be done?
Your Honor, I don't think that the court needs to see it because I don't really think it gives us much other than seeing a car being stopped. So I don't think it really adds anything of value because we don't even know we can't see who's in the car just based off the dash cam video.
All right, so we're at continued trial, formal hearing. Last time testimony was given that the officer was going in the opposite direction as defendant. Officer observed the defendant and two other cars in proximity. Officer stated that through a visual, he determined, or at least felt that the defendant was speeding. He used his radar and came to the conclusion that the defendant was traveling 54 miles per hour in a 35 mile an hour zone on Gratiot. The officer indicated that there was a question of was the radar certified or calibrated or tested. Officer indicated that is done before, I believe before and after the shift, and that he couldn't provide documentation of that, but if there was something wrong with the machine, then it would have given him that notation. Is that correct, officer?
That is correct, yeah.
Mr. Lloyd, having an opportunity to speak with counsel, brought those issues up about the calibration of the machine and about any video or discovery of that nature. We adjourned the matter to obtain that. Officer indicated at that time that he did have some video. He's brought that video. I've given the parties an opportunity to review the case. And, let's first ask, is there any resolution?
Not from the lawyers, Your Honor.
Is there any way to resolve this outside of continuing to hear the testimony and making a decision?
If there is an offer, Your Honor, I would be willing to explain that to Mr. Lloyd if there's one to expedite resolution in lieu of continuing the formal hearing.
We already made several offers, Your Honor. They were rejected. We're in, I think, essentially finished with testimony. I would just ask, unless the officer has a different suggestion, that we just finish the formal hearing.
I have nothing.
All right, Mr. Lloyd, you did indicate that you offered the defense that you weren't speeding, but you haven't really given us anything to refute what Officer Warsh has placed in the record. Do you have anything further to say?
Not at this time. No.
All right. So the court is left with having to find you responsible then for the 16 to 20 over. I believe that the testimony that the officer is credible. He's very sure of himself. He's explained to us on the record how these radar systems work. I think, was this a different system than the other system?
Yes, Your Honor, it was. The first one was the LiDAR, which is a laser. The second one was an in-car radar.
Yeah, so he's either on both occasions, he was very specific on how both the machines work. He indicated to the court that the machine was calibrated. You know, outside of you know, your question of whether the machine was calibrated or not, I'm here to judge whether the testimony is credible. I can't take him being an officer anymore. It doesn't give him any more credibility than it does you. But he is very specific. He was specific about the traffic at the time. It leaves me with no other way to rule but in the officer's favor. So I'm going to find you responsible as charged to the 16 to 20 over. I'm going to fine you $170 for that. And that's it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
If there's nothing further, you owe $170 for today, $180 for the other day, and another $105. So when can you pay?
60 days.
How many?
60 days.
60 days. Why so long?
Got to get my money back up. I haven't been mobile. Got to get my money back.
Tim, October the 6th, 2023. At pay it by then. That's the 60 days. All right.
Alrighty. Thank you.
Sorry, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day. Best of luck to you. Be safe. All right.
Same to you.
Thank you. Officer Borsch, you have a very good day. Be safe out there.
You do the same, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.